Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. With snow forecast for the weekend, we're getting to that season where you got to start thinking about sprayer winterization if you don't have somewhere to stick it inside. If you do and you're normally just going to store it in a heated shop for the winter, then most of this applies. Main thing is go through your boom clean out with your air boom system. Blow as much water out as you can, and then get some kind of, whether it's RV antifreeze or windshield washer antifreeze or whatever you can get your hands on that's cheap. Get some antifreeze into the system, circulate it around so that when cold weather does come, that it doesn't freeze everything. A good thing to do while you're going through that process is take a pen and paper or your notes on your cell phone and go through and make a list of any leaks or anything that needs attention. Take pictures of all that stuff. Then if your sprayer isn't coming in for a preventative maintenance inspection, you can at least bring the pictures, show some of those things to Michael or Nolan and say, hey, what do we need to do here to address this stuff? Then you can order the parts that you need and be ready to go for next spring. So just like I say, it works best with your phone. Take some pictures, make some notes, and then come and chat with the guys. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.